Enzymes and catalysts both accelerate chemical reactions, but they differ in their nature and function. First, nature. Enzymes are biological molecules, typically proteins, that act as catalysts in biochemical reactions. Catalysts, on the other hand, can be either biological or chemical substances. Second, function. Enzymes are highly specific in their action, often catalyzing only one type of reaction. They can also be regulated, meaning their activity can be controlled by other molecules. Catalysts, in general, can catalyze a variety of reactions and are not typically regulated. Third, speed. Enzymes are known for their remarkable catalytic efficiency, often increasing the reaction rate by several orders of magnitude. Catalysts, while also speeding up reactions, may not be as efficient as enzymes. Fourth, reusability. Enzymes are typically reusable and can catalyze the same reaction multiple times. Catalysts can also be reusable, but this depends on the specific catalyst and reaction conditions. In summary, enzymes are a specialized type of catalyst that is biological in nature, highly efficient, and specific in their action. Catalysts, on the other hand, are more general and can include enzymes as well as other types of substances that facilitate chemical reactions.